This is not Killer. This is our new dog, Zoe. There's Killer. This is Killer. This is Zoe. And there's Joe. So we just got Zoe a few days ago. She is like so cute. I'm really glad that we got her. She's the cutest little thingy ever. A tornado hit us today, but it actually went over us. But it didn't even hit us, but we could feel the pressure because I felt it hit. But it went right over us, so yes, the tornado did hit. I was like super scared. Me too. I was like so scared because I felt like I was gonna die. I was like,